it's Greg of Vanguard Motor Sales. I'd like to welcome you to our dealership. Today I'm going to be showing you a 1969 Roadrunner. The thing is yellow, it's got a 500-inch motor in it, and this thing is fast. Can't wait to show it to you.
If you're looking for pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see all the prices for all the cars there, or you can call Tom at 248-974-9513. He answers his phone just about 24 hours a day, definitely 7 days a week. He returns all of his messages, so give him a call. We've got 30,000 square feet of indoor storage here and over 120 cars for sale. We buy about 30 a month here, so the inventory changes quite frequently. So like us on Facebook, you can check us out there. Also, put us in your favorites on your computer and check us out often, because you never know when we're getting another cool car in. If you'd like to come visit us, fly into Detroit Metro Airport. That's right outside the Motor City. We're only about 20 miles from the airport. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll send somebody down to the airport. We can pick you up. We can show you all these cars. So everybody's always asking us where we get these cool muscle cars. Well, we get them from customers just like you. People call us with their cars for sale. They call us when they're ready to trade their cars in. We'd love to talk to you about them. So just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. And if you know someone with a high quality muscle car for sale, call Tom also. And if we buy that muscle car, we'll put $200 in your pocket.
Okay, we're here with the Roadrunner now. This baby is gorgeous. It's got a 500-inch engine. It's got a 4-speed on the floor. Hey, if you're catching us on YouTube and you want to see about 100 pictures of the car, we're going to put it on the lift. We're going to show you the underneath side, the motor compartment, the trunk, the wheel wells. We're going to show you everything you need to see to make a good decision on your muscle car investment. Also, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. So come up and take a look at this beauty. All right, right there with the front bumper, chrome is beautiful. All the stainless is beautiful on the car. The paint job is very near flawless. Now, we've got the 383 here on the hood, but it's got a 440 in it that's a stroker out to 500 inches, and this thing has got some power. It's got really cool billet aluminum wheels on it. You can see all the stainless is near flawless on the car. Now this is a post car, so this thing will really take the horsepower. These bodies are a lot stronger for all the horsepower. You look down that quarter panel, it's straight as an arrow. See all the stainless around the back windows in great shape. Got that gigantic trunk lid. The paint job on it is beautiful. Now this bumper, this rear bumper looks like a Survivor that is in super shape. A tiny bit of discoloration right there, but other than that, it's absolutely gorgeous. You come over here and look down the side of the car. You can see the way the door fits. That door almost disappears. Nice and flush there. Beautiful, nice straight paint job. The body work on this is definitely done by a professional. Check the operation of this door. Take a look at the lips here. The hardware was all taken out and restored. All the rubber looks good. The door jamb is beautiful. Shuts just perfect. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We spend the time, we check these things out before we buy them. And then when we get them back here to the shop, we've got 7 full-time guys here checking them out even further so we can tell you exactly what's going on with this car. The guys check out the brakes and make sure the turn signals are working, the headlights are working, the brake lights are working. And make sure you have dash lights. Everything you need to hop in this car and hit the car show and start winning trophies. And I tell you, this thing will win you some trophies. This is one hot Mopar, guys. Let's check out the interior. Take a look at this door panel. Absolutely gorgeous. The restoration on this car was done 5 or 6 years ago. It's only got a couple hundred miles on it since it was done. Got gorgeous carpet in the car. Even take a look at the mats in this thing. It's got the Road Runner on there, and that he looks sharp in there. Stick out his tongue at all those guys. The dash looks great. Good looking Grant steering wheel. We've got an aftermarket tack and shift light, which really helps you out with this 4-speed. And this baby will rev. I tell you, you get out and drive in this thing and stomp on it, you're going to be at 4,000 or 5,000 RPM before you even know it. Back seat is absolutely gorgeous in it. Doesn't look like it was ever sat in. You can see there's seat belts in the front and the back. The headliner looks great. You can see that the dome light's working. See the way those rear windows pop out like vent windows? That's because it's a post car. Dash pad is gorgeous. This is one beautiful car inside and out. We've got aftermarket radio in there. All right, we're underneath the Road Runner now. We've got brand new gas tank here. Flowmaster exhaust, looks like it's fairly new, hasn't even burned off the tags yet. Good looking stainless tips here. Looks like the springs have been replaced or rebuilt, one of the two. Trunk floor looks good, frame's in good shape. It's been all undercoated underneath here. The frame here where the springs lock down looks good. Now the car did have new quarters put on it. And they've molded everything in, welded everything in, sealed it all up. It looks great. Chrysler rear end in it. It's got a sure grip in it. 391 gear. Sway bar here. Brand new shocks. These are the KYB shocks. As you can see, it's had disc brakes added to the rear. Brand new U-bolts. Looks like that rear end might have been powder coated. Real nice paint on that. You can see there's a brand new fuel line also. It's a 3/8. Flowmaster mufflers also. Looks like a brand new U-joint in the back. It's a 42 case. Floorboards are in great shape. I don't see any evidence that they've ever been cut out, patched on, or anything. All looks original. Back sides of the rockers are real nice shape. I can still see spot welds. Frame up here looks good. We always get inside the frame, feel around, see what it feels like in there. Nice and solid inside. Jet-coated headers. The tranny is numbers matching to the car, so this is the transmission that came in this car. It's got a big old explosion-proof Lakewood bell housing. All the steering gear has been rebuilt. It's got disc brakes up front. Looks like the same shocks. They replaced the front shocks the same time they replaced the back shocks. Good looking oil pan there. It's painted flat black. Looks real sharp. K-member, again, looks like it might have been powder coated. Nice and slick paint job on it. Sway bar up front, all the links look good. Front bumper was definitely replated. Back side's all nice and clean, all brand new bolts. Now these front fenders, I don't see any evidence of any patchwork. Always get in here and look around where they all rotted out. And nice smooth metal there all the way around. Wheel wells are in nice shape, all nice and clean. This is one beautiful car underneath. Let's check out the wheels and tires on this dude. All right, up front here, we've got some Dunlop tires. They got a ton of tread on them. They look like they're fairly new. 225/70 15s on some gorgeous, looks like billet aluminum wheels. Beautiful, nice polished up, real sharp. Take a look at the bodywork here on the lower front fender. Again, we're up inside here feeling around to make sure there's no patchwork. The rocker looks good. The paintwork looks good on the rocker. Same good looking rim. And we've got a little more meat on the tires. We got two 55/60 15s on the tires. They've smoothed out everything here real nice and neat. The paint job is beautiful. Back sides of the quarters here, beautiful. Really nice job on the restoration on the car. And it looks like the back bumper was replaced also. It's nice and clean on the back side. Looks like it's a fresh bumper. I see fresh brand new bolts and everything in there. Well, let's lower it down and take a look at that 500-inch motor. All right, here she is. We got this 440's been dropped into this thing. And the guys tell me they've taken a look at the date on the motor, and believe it or not, this motor was built about the same time this car was built. Kind of a cool detail. It's got the Indy top end. They are the 440 Easy One heads. It's about $5,000 there, guys. This thing is well over 500 horse. It's a blast to drive. We've got MSD Ignition. Looks like there's a Holly carb underneath there, dual feed, chrome alternator on it. Looks like billet pulleys. The paint work on the inner fenders and everything look great. Those big tube headers look great. Really sharp looking car under the hood, and I tell you what, when you stomp on the accelerator on this thing, it get up and go. This thing is a blast to drive. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. This one's not going to last long, baby. It's yellow. It's a Road Runner. It's got a big inch motor in it. It's a blast to drive. It's a 4-speed. Take a look at the finish on the underside of the hood even. Now we do have the air grabber that goes underneath the hood, but obviously with this great big old intake and setup on it, that won't go. It's in the trunk right now. That comes with the car. We do have the air cleaner also. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway. All right, we're gonna fire this baby up.